ورتل القرآن ترتيلا.
Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be covering the rule of Idghaam. Our learning objectives are: number 1, to know what Idghaam means. Number 2, to know the different types of Idghaam. Number 3, to know the different steps in applying Idghaam. Number 4, to know the letters of Idghaam. Number 5, to be able to identify Idghaam in a given verse and apply it. And finally, to know the exceptions to the Idghaam rule. So what does Idghaam mean? Idghaam means to merge or join. We join the letter of Noon Saakin or Tanween with the letter of the following word. This means that Idghaam cannot be applied in a single word, but must be the joining of two separate words. For example, we have the word Tawwabur Rahimun for Tanween example. And for the Noon Saakin example, we have Amman Yujibu. There are two types of Idghaam. Number 1, Idghaam with GHUNNAH, and number 2, Idghaam without GHUNNAH. The types of Idghaam depends on the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. There are 6 letters of Idghaam: Ya, Ra, Meem, Lam, Waw and Noon. Hence the word Yarmaloon. Idghaam with GHUNNAH has 4 letters: Ya, Waw, Meem, Noon. Yawman. Idghaam without GHUNNAH has 2 letters, Ra and Lam. Idghaam with GHUNNAH are split into 2 types: complete merging and incomplete merging. Complete merging has 2 letters, letters Meem and Noon. These letters will have the Shadda sign, hence complete GHUNNAH. The examples are Jaza'an min nutfatin. For the incomplete merging, the letters are Ya and Waw, and these letters will have no Shadda, hence incomplete GHUNNAH. The examples are Sirajan Wahaja, Qariban Yawma. Idghaam without GHUNNAH have 2 letters, the letters Ra and the letter Lam. The example for the letter Ra is Mir Rabbika, and the example for the letter Lam is Mata'an lakum. You will notice for these letters that there is no GHUNNAH, but the letters will have the Shadda. So how do we identify Idghaam? Step 1. Find Noon Saakin or Tanween. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after Noon Saakin or Tanween, and this applies to all 4 rules. Step 3. The letter after must be of the letters Yarmaloon. With GHUNNAH, Ya, Waw, Meem and Noon, and without GHUNNAH, the letters Ra or Lam. Step 4. We join the letter of Noon Saakin or Tanween with the letter of the following word. Now let's look at an example of Idghaam with GHUNNAH. Step 1. Find the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So when we go across, we can see the symbol of Noon Saakin. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. Step 3. The letter after must be from Ya, Waw, Meem and Noon. And here we can see that the letter is Ya. Step 4. Join the letter of the Noon Saakin or Tanween with the letter of the following word. So, man yaqulu. Don't forget this is incomplete ghunnah. And the easy way to remember incomplete ghunnah is you will see there will be no shadda sign on the letter. Now it's time to do one by yourself. Find the idgham rule for the following verse. Resume the video to find the answer. Now let's go through the answer. Step 1. Find the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So when we go across, we can see Noon Saakin sign and we can see a Tanween sign. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. After the Noon Saakin, there is the letter Qaf, and after the Tanween, there is the letter Waw. Step 3. The letter after must be of the letters of Yarmaloon to be of Idgham. So, the Noon Saakin followed by the letter Qaf is not of Idgham. The Tanween followed by the letter Waw is of Idgham with Ghunnah. But it will be incomplete Ghunnah as the Waw does not have the Shadda sign. Step 4. We join the letter of the Noon Saakin or Tanween with the letter of the following word. Hence we read khasi'an wa huwa. Let's look at an example of an idgham without ghunnah. Step 1. Find Noon Saakin or Tanween. So let's go across and we can see a Tanween sign of the Matain. And further along, we can see a Tanween sign of Kasratain. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. Step 3. The letter after must be Lam or Ra. So the first Tanween of Dammatain is followed by the letter Lam, and the second Tanween of Kasratain is followed by the letter Lam. So it is idgham without ghunnah. Step 4. Join the word with the Noon Saakin or Tanween and the idgham letter. So we read it as waylul likulli humazatil lumaza, remembering the fact of not to do a ghunnah. Now it's time to do one by yourself. Find the idgham rule from the following verse. Resume the video to find the answer. Now let's go through the answer. Step 1. Find the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So when we go across, we can see the Noon Saakin sign and we can see the Tanween sign. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So we can see after the Noon Saakin there is the letter Ya, and after the Tanween there is the letter Lam. Step 3. The letter after must be of the letters of Yarmaloon to be of the idgham rule. For idgham with gunnah, it has to have the letters Ya, Waw, Meem or Noon, and without gunnah, it will have the letters Ra or Lam. In the word adunya, the idgham cannot be applied. As we have mentioned previously, idgham cannot be applied in a single word, but must be the joining of two separate words. But rujuman lishayateen, the tanween is followed by the letter lam, so it is idgham without ghunnah, and idgham is done because of the joining of two separate words. Remember, with idgham without ghunnah, there is no nasal sound. Step 4. We join the letter of the Noon Saakin or Tanween with the letter of the following word. So we read rujuman lishayateen. Exceptions of the idgham rule. Remember, for idgham to be applied, the noon sakin or tanween and the idgham letter must be in two separate words. These exceptions are referred to as idhar mutlaq. There is no idgham in the following four instances. These words are ad-dunya, which we have done previously, bunyanun, sinwanun, and qinwanun. So what have we learned in this lesson? We know what idgham means. We know the different types of idgham. We know the different steps in applying idgham. We know the letters of idgham. We are able to identify idgham in a given verse and apply it. And we know the exceptions to the idgham rule, which is idhar mutlaq. Hope you have benefited from this lesson. Keep seeking knowledge. Ma'as salama.